Welcome to your Mile Repeat Cutdown Workout for runners. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, if you're training for a 5K or 10K, this is a classic workout to increase your speed and get used to running at race pace. For your workout today, you have 3 total miles to run, 1 mile at a time with 3 minutes of rest in between each for full recovery. With each mile, you'll be working up to faster speeds. For the first mile, we're starting out at a moderate pace. This should feel comfortable, a little harder than your typical warm-up pace. Remember to take 3 minutes of complete rest in between each mile. For the second mile, we're going to start pushing the pace. It should feel hard, somewhere right in the middle of a moderate pace and race pace. For the third mile, we're going to push ourselves at a tempo pace, or about 30 seconds per mile less than your current race pace. If you don't know your current race pace, you're running near your max capacity.